Okay, we have finished 03, and now we're ready to start on 04, where we're going to write some stuff on that screen. And the way we do this is, let's make this kind of a standard way to go here. We do Control A, we've copied everything, we've selected everything. Now we copy, and let's select a new file, and Control V, there we've got it, and let's save it under another name. And the name will be, here we are, Sonar04.py. There we go. So we save it. Fine. Okay. Now, when you write on the screen, that's different from print. Print prints on this thing that's kind of attached to the code. So you need, and the way to do this, there's lots of ways actually, but let's create a turtle specially to do that. So under here, we'll go TW equals t.turtle again. Keep wanting to hit the comma. TURTLE. So we now have a turtle, that brand new one, and we need to make sure we don't see it. And the way to do that is pen up, so we can do PU. And we can also add another thing. We can change, let's change the color when we write. Let's make it red. So TW.color red. Small letters, that looks pretty good. Okay, so we've got it. This can't be a colon, it has to be a semicolon. And we'll find out very quickly, if any of these are wrong, because as soon as you say run, it checks the thing and looks to see if it works. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to, let's just do a quick test. And here where we have the print too far, let's just add something right here. Let's say, okay, we're going to do, first of all, it's got a TW dot, it's got to go to the place we're going to write. So let's just go to X and Y and see how that works. Then we have to do the write, TW.write, W-R-I-T-E. And now you have to put what you want to write. It could have been a variable, but let's just do the too far. Or we could say undetected, something like that. And then we have to say something about the font. And so we have to do font, parenthesis, quote Arial, A-R-I-A-L, and by it, that's the way you spell that, and that's quote, and then the size, and let's make it 16, and that should be enough. Now we need another parenthesis, right? Okay, now let's see if that in fact works. So we'll fire up. Here we go, we get our background going. And notice it's red, and let's say we click here. Whoops. It says font is not defined. Okay. Oh, I know what's wrong. My mistake. So font has to be equal. There has to be an equal sign in there. And let's see if that works. Fire again. You can see how many mistakes you make. And I've been at this game a long time. It's too far. Too far. Too far works. Okay, so that's good. All right. Now, the next thing we want to do is to actually say when we've actually hit it, where we're close enough. So we're going to put another variable. Let's make another variable here. And in fact, just to be real cute, I'm going to say close enough underscore ENUF. See, I'm not a great speller. And let's say if it's within 20 pixels, let's say let's say 15 pixels. If it's within 15 pixels, we want to say yes, that's just good. All right, so when we're going here, we need to actually come into this loop where we're setting the sonar, And going through all of this, we need to get underneath this. And we're through with that if statement. We need to start another one. And we say if distance to dist, and let's do this distance. If this distance is less than, we could say equal to, but that's okay. Close enough. And we can double click on that. If that's the case, then what we want to do is we want to write, hey, we've hit it. So we first of all take this, the writing turtle, and let's stick them up there at the top somewhere. And I think we can say, how about 0 and I don't know what, 325. See, it goes from 0 to 300, so let's put it 325 and see how that works. And we do that. Then we need to write again. tw.write. tw, not rw. All right. And we say ta da. How about that? Corny, but it's okay. And then we say font equal parentheses ARIAL. We could use something else, but I know that works, and it's got to be in quotes. I'm dangerous with this typewriter. And we have a comma, and then font equals oh no, we've already done the font. Arial, comma, let's make it big, 32. And we need another parent. So let's see what happens. Here we go. Okay, so we click up here. Too far. Too far. Okay, but let's see, we're getting closer. We're getting close. Okay, let's try over here. Oh, we know it's one of these two, so let's do this. I think we hit it. Ta-da! Hey, it worked. Let's try it again. Okay, do the background. We get our target hiding over there. We kind of know where it is, so let's try. Well, we know we missed that one, but let's get one close enough that we can get a circle going, and we can try it again. Get another circle going. We got two places. Let's check here. Too far. Check in here. There's another circle. Ah, boy, it's right here. Ta-da. Not bad. Okay, so we've got the idea of how we can do this, and we'll just increase the complexity a little bit. And by the way, we're getting some data over here, so you're going to see this very commonly. You'll have a window here, you'll be doing all kinds of stuff, and you'll be printing out some interesting information here. And so now we can figure out a way to make this a good game.